come make a cushion cut gemstone cookie with me. This is one of 3 cookies in the gemstone cookie set available to you for free. Okay, this last cookie is the easiest in the set, and also the one I found the most challenging. So we're once again doing 4 dots to make a square shape on the cookie, so you kind of want them equidistant apart. And then you're going to pipe a square. But the one thing that I learned doing this is the 3rd time I did it, is to have the square kind of, the lines going a little bit concave. So they're going in a little bit. We want them to look like straight lines, but also have a little bit of a curve to them. And it just made the cookie a little bit more interesting. Again, if your line breaks, it's okay. You're just gonna go over it a little bit again. It's gonna look fine. It's totally gonna look fine. And you're gonna continue to make that square shape with those concave lines. I'm now doubting whether I understand what the word concave means. And you're not going to care that your square's a little bit more like a rectangle than it is a square, because it's kind of hard to pipe a square on a round cookie. And then you're going to do 4 dots again, kind of 90 degrees, so that we can have these overlapping squares like we just did on the previous cookie. And once again, you're going to pipe on those lines to make the square and have them curve a little bit. And we're going to keep going, curving them a little bit. You want to think about, because we're doing faceted gemstones, that is this whole set. So you want to think about rings and how they aren't just a flat shape like this. So the curve is creating more of a visual appeal for these cookies. But this one is the simplest out of the set. It's the easiest to do while also the most challenging for me, because I apparently just don't have the spatial awareness to understand equidistance between dots. Once you have those 2 squares piped on, you're going to outline this cookie again with that same icing, just a thin edge of the cookie to complete this design for you. This is the cushion cut gemstone cookie. Again, it is one of 3 in the gemstone cookie set. Give it a try. Let me know what you think.